What is up, YouTube? It's Fire really want to see from the fire frame. So I ordered some graphics like 2 days ago, and now I'm gonna open them just to see how they look, make sure they're alright. Get my reaction. Let's see here. Okay. Let me make sure nothing's on this. Heat gun, hair dryer, spray bottle, dry lint-free towel, rubber scoop. Oh, no way. Oh, shoot, that looks so sick. I cannot wait to put these things on. Sit on this, show you guys. Oh. No, we're ready, bro. Alright, let me sit down. Show you guys. Woo. Hold on. Guys got a player. Dude. Got the Grantor 116, you already know. They got some little, like, hood fenders things. We got some extra stickers up there. No, these are awesome. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go out and wash my quad and get ready to put these things on. So I'll see you guys then. Before I go, I just wanted to give a shout out and a big thanks to Sun's Graphics for shipping those out to me. So now I'll see you guys when I wash that thing. Yeah, she's kind of dirty. I burn up the clutch. I will show you guys that. It's in neutral. Now watch. So yeah, let out the clutch and it'll die. So yeah, buy a new clutch, but for now I can still move it over there to watch. Now we gotta go get the hose. I'll set you guys up in the time lapse. I think we got her. It's off. Got under the fenders a little bit, but I heard the ever really clean the fenders. But I don't think my graphics go under the fenders, so. Alright, so I just used Dawn dish soap and sprayed it down. Got her done. Next up is actually drying it, which I'm gonna do right now. And I might talk to you guys while I do that. Ouch. She's looking a lot better than she did. Hey, here's a little walk around of this thing. Let's get these out of here. And things all out of here. think I'll next time I see you is I've gotta find a place for it, find out where I'm going to put it at, and then put graphics on. Holy crap, that tire's really low. I'll see you guys when I put the graphics on, or take them out of the box, whatever. So guys, this is what I got so far. It's looking pretty good, but it's so hot out here, especially with the heat gun. This one I had a lot of trouble with. I had to keep moving it. There's another air bubble. That's the closest it's gonna get to best. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna come back. Only got 2 on, and let's see, it started at like 11 something, or yeah, it's 1:02. I don't know what time it started, but this took both these took about half hour, 4 to 5 minutes together. So yeah, I think that actually I did that one pretty good. This one turned out okay. There's still some air bubbles, but and then there's holes right here. Like, I don't know if that's gonna mess it up or not, but hopefully not. I don't know. So yep, I'm gonna go take a break, and I'll finish these when I come back. This was probably the hardest piece because I don't know, these will not go down. I kept getting air bubbles from pulling it up. But me and my sister put these little 2 pieces on. And my sister's gonna be helping me because I can't hold the air dryer and do it at the same time. So I'm gonna go get the graphics and I'm gonna set you guys up for another time lapse. And then I don't know how many we're gonna get done today, but probably not all of them. Hopefully pretty close though. And see you guys after the time lapse. Ready? Are you ready?
Chicken and macaroni.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. Chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homie. Hot dog and bologna. Chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homie.
Alright guys, if you want to see Charlie's TikTok that he made, go check out his account. So, okay guys, so here is the before and after. It looks amazing.
Anyway, Rainy, I'm gonna put these on now. In
Okay.
the middle. Put it in the middle. Like this. Watch what I'm doing. Like that. Want to see that one?
Putting little extra stickers.
Yep. These are for my Nerf bars. What, come off though?
No, because you didn't spray Windex.
Oh, come off. This is a regular sticker.
Oh, it is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alright, tell me, is it straight right there?
Mm-mm.
Up.
Here, let me put it on.
No, wait. Just tell me where it's straight.
Down. Down. There. Now, turn it this way a little bit. Yep, there. That's perfect. Yep.
Yeah, that's awesome. Might be down a little bit too much, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Alright, now put these. Where do you want them? You can put these ones on.
Alright.
Graphics.
Down here, okay, Charlie?
Yeah.
Don't mind me, guys. I'm in my pajamas.
Oh, and
I have a-
we should find where this goes. Oh, yeah. This one goes right here. Should we put that one on or no?
Hold on. Let's just wait. Does that look okay?
Mhm.
Find it up with this.
Yeah, there's nothing on that side.
I know, that's why.
I'll tell you. Is that one a regular sticker too?
No, these aren't.
Down. Down. Right there. Oh, wait. Turn it. There you go. Wait. Go over to the right a little bit more.
So right here.
No, to the right. Turn it again. No, other way. Right there.
Sure?
Yeah. There we go. I do like that. I like that. I like that.
It's not. Oh, wait. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
It didn't look even first.
Alright, well, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. I'm probably putting a new clutch in.
If you haven't already, please subscribe.
Yep. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.